These days, it seems like the skincare field has become rapidly more popular with a plethora of skincare products made to target different skin issues. There are so many that it can make anyone dizzy just by thinking which ingredient, type, brand, blah blah are the best. Thankfully for people with acne, the skincare market is brimming with products to help combat this skin issue of yours. If you're on the lookout for acne treatment for a while now, then you've probably already heard of this top acne ingredient, benzoyl peroxide. Yep, today we will be discussing more how this acne-fighting ingredient works wonder on the skin, so stick around. What is benzoyl peroxide? Benzoyl peroxide is an antimicrobial that reduces the amount of acne-causing bacteria on the skin. This topical medication is available in over-the-counter spot treatments, creams, and cleansers from different concentrations for mild to moderate acne. This powerful ingredient can effectively combat acne by removing the bacteria and dead skin cells that are clogging your pores. Is it good for acne? This treatment cures and prevents acne by killing the bacteria deeply seated in the skin. At the same time, it helps the pores get rid of excess sebum and dead skin cells, two factors that highly contribute to the formation of acne. How is benzoyl peroxide for? 1. Pimples for inflammatory acne, i.e., red bumps that have pus. Benzoyl peroxide works particularly great for this kind of acne. By pus, this refers to cysts, pustules, papules, and nodules. 2. Cystic acne. Cystic acne is the most severe form of acne, making it also the hardest to treat. It's characterized by hard bumps that are buried under the surface of your skin. These pimples may have pus inside them, but it's hard to spot any prominent heads, unlike inflammatory acne. P. Acnes bacteria contribute to cystic acne, and benzoyl peroxide can help treat these in addition to prescription medications. 3. Blackheads and whiteheads. You may not know this, but blackheads and whiteheads are also kinds of acne. That said, they are non-inflammatory since they don't manifest in red bumps like with other types of acne pimples. Yes, benzoyl peroxide can help treat oil and dead skin cells clogging your pores, but there are far better treatments available for blackheads and whiteheads. 4. Acne scars. The worst part of acne outbreaks is the red, angry scars afterward, which is often the case with inflammatory acne. Benzoyl peroxide can help remove dead skin cells and make the scars less noticeable. Exploring your options. Benzoyl peroxide comes in several forms of many acne treatment products. Choosing the right one for your skin is very important. Since we are tackling the face, which is a rather sensitive area, it's best to use a product with a lower concentration of this ingredient. Maybe 4% just to be safe. Benzoyl peroxide can be found in many acne products such as 1. Face washes and foams, used once to twice a day to prevent acne and treat existing pimples. 2. Acne creams and lotions, usually applied once or twice a day on the whole skin as a treatment and preventive product. 3. Gels, commonly available as spot treatments with higher concentrations and applied only on the affected area. What do you think about this video? Share your feedback below.